Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and another unboxing. Today I'll be opening up and unboxing this HAIM chronograph. I was just browsing around one day looking at eBay as you do in our hobby, and I came across the brand. I contacted them, I spoke to them because I saw this watch and I just wanted one. I had to have one. Let's see if it lives up to expectations. This is the first time opening the box. I took it out of the outer box to save on time and save you headphone users some agony. This is the chronograph, the Legacy SC. Let's see. It's a nice, simple but nice cardboard box. HAIM is a Chicago-based micro brand. Out of the box, nice blue shade, HAIM Watch Company. Ooh, watch roll. Didn't know that was coming. This is my first impressions. I don't know what to expect. Really nice, thick watch roll. We have warranty card, signed warranty card for once. Micro brands are better than big watch companies, aren't they? So let's see. Nice, almost like a chocolatey brown watch box, and here we have the Legacy SE chronograph with yeah, that lives up to expectations now, doesn't it? We have a copper dial. We have properly heat treated hands. We have really nicely applied indices. We have a lot of texturing going on in that dial. Let's see if the camera can pick it up, everything. That's nice, that's cool. Sorry about the reflections. This is powered by a Seagull ST19, as popular is. Oh, quick release, nice, well done. I've seen pictures of the loom, it looks awesome, I will check it out. So I'll do a full review in a few days. I just want to wear the watches, but it looks like we have some really nice brushing on the case, some really fine detailing. Where looks like we have applied printed HAIM logo at the 12 o'clock. We have the Legacy wording in light blue as the light darkens. We have a 39mm case. I think it's like a 47 lug to lug, something like that. Full measurements in the review. Sapphire crystal, of course. Manual wind ST19 see-through case black. Do we have? Yep, there's plastic. Get rid of that quickly. We can properly see this beautiful movement. I already have one watch with the movement. It works awesomely. It's good looking now, isn't it? 39.5, did I say? I think the case width is. So before I end this video, let's try it on. I'm gonna take off the Venezianico review of this one. Click up here. Gonna pick up the HAIM. The bracelet strap feels really nice. This will wear comfortably. Roughly 17cm wrist. One of these days I might start doing the US version. What do you call it? Oh god, I forgot your system. Sorry. Anywho, 7cm wrist. That wears beautifully. Well done. Review coming up, hopefully in a week or a few days or so. I want to wear it properly, try it on. Feels good. First impressions are really nice. Well done indeed. And speaking of chronographs, if you click the link in the end of the video, the giveaway, the Jack Turner giveaway, is still up and running. So please click the link, join the giveaway, and as soon as I hit 250 subscribers, I will give a free brand new watch away. Awesome. Review of this HAIM coming up shortly, so keep an eye open and make sure to subscribe for that content, more unboxings, and my little reviews. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening. Until next time, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.